We're reviewing this seat reviver that I saw online, heard a lot of good things about, and I got the care kit because this neutralizes the cleaner so it doesn't cause damage to your stitching. And I've never seen or tried anything like this before. Shake well before use, puncture seal, pour onto the surface, spread evenly with neutral gloves or brush. For big jobs, pour into 1-2-gallon pump sprayer. Let sit for 3 to 5 minutes. Rinse surface thoroughly with running water and dry. Okay, after drying, apply our vinyl protectant UV shield neutralizer to fully neutralize any residual cleaner on surface. Add UV blockers and condition for max protection of stitching and vinyl. Do not use on leather car seats, natural fabrics, cotton, wood, or painted surfaces. All right, open it up. There's a little seal here on top. Just use my boat key to puncture it. And we're going to put it right on the surface. Okay, so it's like a little gel here. We'll spread this on. Already starting to work. That's pretty quick. It says 3 to 5 minutes. We're probably about a minute, so not even. We'll come back in 3 to 5 minutes and we'll rinse it off. This is before and after. Very impressed with that. Now we're going to look at the neutralizer and the UV protectant here. The first 3-in-1 protectant that actively works to save and protect your vinyl seats, cushions, and stitching. So this is like a all-in-one. I haven't seen anything else like this, so I'm assuming you could probably use this with any cleaner. But basically rinse cleaners from the surface and dry prior to use. All right, we just did that. Punch for the seal. Pour light gel directly on the surface. Or put in a sprayer. Spread product evenly with a terry cloth or microfiber towel. Puff off excess with a dry towel. Apply every 3 to 5 weeks for maximum UV protection. So we'll put this on there. Well, it smells really good. It's like a coconut. Don't mind this. That was from the pressure washer. But it's so much smoother. You can even hear the difference. I'll show you. Much rougher, dry. It's not shiny. No gloss at all. Smooth. And the stitching's protected. So finished the rest of the boat. Really happy with it. 5 out of 5 stars. Definitely worth the hype.